dos, tres.
Bir dakika.
Bak. Bas. Bas.
Çalışıyor musun bak? Yapamazsın. Yes, before coming here, I also in Nau Coclea there was a herbarium, art herbarium, the paintings.
Yeah, this was this artist.
Yeah, this one.
Sandrine de Boorman, she's Belgian. And she
I
came
really
in Grand
like the
Tour
works.
and did the biography of the workers with herbarium. It was very beautiful.
Conceptual also.
Yeah.
It is,
Yeah. This is a guitar book with a lot of illustrations. Most of them they are how you call North Indian illustrations.
Mira, com la teníamos en 15.
Vale, vale, sentito. Era la parte B. semblava una cosa, era com carregosa, no? No, 115, sí. 115, ja teníem prou al principi, va.
Quite a senior project, Nau Coclea, and this started 26 years ago because the founders, who were me and José Manuel Berenguer, an electroacoustic musician, wanted to do more research with our colleagues. At that moment I was doing video creation, performance, and visual arts. And José Manuel has always been an electroacoustic musician. So we started a very small and very minimal project to share our research with other artists that were in the same line, with whom we had some affinities. So in one moment we had to move from our home. Our home was in Camallera at that moment. We had to move because of some problems, and we started to, we thought, as we have to move anyway, why don't we look for a place that can be our home and at the same time a home for the project. And we couldn't find, we were looking for a loft or for something in which we could combine our private life, we were a couple, with a project. And we couldn't find anything at that moment, especially anything that was completely legal, because some big hangars, some big buildings that we could find, they were not legally apt for living. So at one moment we found this land unsold, and there we saw the opportunity of building exactly what we were looking for. And we thought, okay, we don't have money for a home and a project, an art project, an art center, but we can have somehow that can be used in both senses. So we built this place that you see now that has different modules, which is very flexible in the sense that things can work as workshops, as homes, as places to do a research, an exhibition, etc. So along all these 26 years, we have been doing these artist residencies and presentations, exhibitions, projects, performances, sound art festivals, sound art and music research, etc. all this time. And slowly things have been changing, and the space, which is very flexible, has adapted to the new things. For example, José Manuel is not here anymore, so the electroacoustic music is not necessary, or was not necessary anymore, and new technologies gave room to other ways of doing music which were not so technological. Or for example, me myself, who was a curator very much settled in visual arts, I started having deep doubts about the value of the traditional exhibition and thinking that this maybe was not the best or the way, the path that interested me more. And then the space was used and served to do other different things. Also, we have been very much helped by the outside land. We have a lot of land, as you may see in the pictures, and the outer space is very open. It is useful for anything. It is open to anything as far as the land is not, or the landscape is not damaged. You can do anything outside. It is not like an exhibition room or like an auditorium or like a studio in which you only can do the things this architecture is meant for, but the outer space is open to anything. And as far as you don't damage the nature, you can do anything. So this openness helped very much my new idea of having, protecting, enhancing, and researching an art that was not more cut into different disciplines and cut into different processes in which you have production, exhibition, and publication. In this new view of what is art, production was always ongoing. So this idea of I have finished, I have a product, then I show it, then I publish the catalog had no any sense. And either the modules of the architecture and the land as open air helped very much this idea of not cutting, not dividing so much the process of art.